the reason to become an educator is it automatically positions you as the specialist, expert, authority, whichever one of those titles you want to pick. It makes you stand out from the rest of the PTs in your area. If you're in a commercial gym, even as a newbie, if you decide to stand out and specialize in an area, you will automatically elevate yourself over and above PTs that may have been there for several years, have lots of experience, have lots of success. By virtue of the fact you've said, right, I'm going to become an educator, you stand out automatically if that's not something they're already doing. Just think about it in society. If you were to compare a standard GP against a specialist GP, a GP doctor, standard general practitioner, versus a doctor who's specialized and become a consultant, which one of those two do you think is going to be the one that's listened to more, generally speaking? Which one of those is going to maybe attract the attention more, and which one of those two is going to get paid more? 9 times out of 10 it's going to be the one who has become the educator, the one that stood out as a specialist. Another reason for doing this is you become more time efficient. You can speak to many rather than just working one-to-one. Traditionally in the world of personal training, this idea of doing free personal training sessions, which I have done in the past, where you get a client in to your facility, or if you're in a commercial gym setting, you walk the floor, you try and correct people's form, you try and encourage them to do a free PT session with you, and I'm not saying that doesn't work, because it does work. I have done it myself, but there is a degree of feeling as if you're stalking people a little bit when you're doing that, versus taking this educator role. You're actually beginning to attract people towards you. So when you become an educator, you become time efficient. You don't have to be doing it one-to-one. You can be doing it one-to-many. And also, people get to know, like, and trust you. You can see me there in a couple of different scenarios where I'm delivering information. It gives people the opportunity to come along, be it online or offline, and get to know what you like, what your take is on, again in my case, weight loss, whether they like what you're saying, whether or not they like you as an individual, and then most importantly, whether or not they actually trust you. So going out there as the educator affords you these 3 definite benefits.